Welcome back, everybody. It's Crow. I've been gone forever. I'm a bird. This is Nightreign. We're gonna do this shit.
Yeah, yeah.
I need to at some point figure out how to actually set up a like a proper intro. You know, I gotta do that here soon.
Hello, all
Uh,
you beautiful people out there.
Indeed, beautiful, beautiful people. Wow, most wonderful, most amazing.
You didn't get the reference, did you?
No, probably not. I'm a
Uh,
little dumb.
that hello, all you beautiful people out there was Jacksepticeye's first ever intro.
Was it? Oh, I
Yeah,
like that.
because he wanted to hide his Irish accent, so he went like a deep American accent and goes, "Hello, all you beautiful people out there. Welcome
Huh.
back to game."
Gonna turn
It's
turn
like
my
his
computer
first
down a little.
ever video, I believe, was him just doing solid snake impressions.
Computer Alright, sweet. This is good enough, I guess. Close that. Open this. Everything looks good. Sweet. Fine and dandy. Hell yeah. Alright, cool. I'll get better at this shit sooner or later. You know? It just takes brain cells. Brain cells I don't have, but brain cells as a whole. Fucking enemy did you guys fell already?
Uh, Gollum.
Gotcha. Oh, I forgot my ult is in the fucking middle, isn't it? Maybe that wasn't the best place for it. Oh, my runes appear at the top of the screen, not the bottom. Oh, I'm stupid. This will have to do for now, but that is mildly annoying.
There, fucking hell, I think I just did not want to die.
Indeed.
Improve poison resistance. I want my bow. Yes, yes, yes. Did you grab the
Ugh.
stone sword key?
Dude, I really want to get like a lot more into streaming. Like, fucking shitload more into streaming. Like I want us to do like Helldivers at some point. New Siege X came out. Andrew's probably wanting to do some of that.
You know, I
Um,
was the one who actually told him that we were gonna play that, and he never actually fucking did. Until I told him, I was like, bitch, you're getting your fucking ass on, and I'm gonna kill you if you don't. I missed.
well, I'm honestly surprised. Andrew is like the biggest fucking Siege guy like I've ever met. Woo.
Yeah, I mean, that is where we met.
Oh yeah, I forgot you guys met him on there, didn't you?
He wasn't a school friend like everyone else. We met his ass online.
Oh fuck, that's a rat.
What are you doing? Are you good?
I just got to the place you guys were at a little while ago. All the enemies are. Pip, no! Sparrow, no! Oh, I'm a very bad teammate. I'm a very bad teammate.
Brother! Brother,
I'm
where art
sorry!
thou, brother?
I'm sorry!
Brother!
I'm coming! Nah! I was busy
My
setting up the
5,000
stream!
runes!
They'll be here for you.
I know. It's so early. It don't matter. I gotta get chat pulled up. I don't have that pulled up in the slightest.
I forgot how to play. It's been a whole like 2 days.
In a whole 2 days, he says.
Oh god. Well, I didn't play yesterday. I passed right the fuck out.
Yeah. Take the rain of arrows, bitch.
Oh fuck! They hit me with my own attack.
I got you.
No. I was a fool. Thank you for picking me up.
Hey! I'm not your friend. I'm not your friend. He's gonna cut my balls.
Well, he's dead now.
Why are you glitching out, sir?
How do we have a... What? Was that a phantom of Iron Eye? Was that a phantom of you?
Probably.
I am Crow. I am Bird Knight.
I am currently installing... Ooh, dragon. We're not ready for that. I mean, we might
we're
be.
gonna get our asses whooped. What are you currently installing?
Glitch.
Twitch?
On my phone?
Oh. No, I'm stupid. I was like, how do you not have Twitch if you're streaming on Twitch? What I gotta do is figure out how the...
Oh! Oh!
Ah!
Where's he at? Right there.
He's over there, the blue pin.
Go to my ping.
The blue one, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I see him, I see him.
It's gonna
Hey
cost
there, buddy.
15,000
Hey.
runes to get rid of it, but
Want to break the curse, please, pal?
you get your money back though. Or you just break it.
Yeah, I broke it for everyone. We're all safe now. You're welcome.
You attack him with
I am a
dragon.
hero. You should love me. It is done. Oh, I got a sword.
Frenzy
That's-
flame seal.
I got a.
Actually, you know what? I've never actually tried that. I would love to try that at some point.
It's not bad.
Yeah. I'm cool with that. We gotta run past this fucker. You don't see me. He sees me. He sees me. Ah!
You got your Sparrow.
Tips get me. Tips get me. Hopefully. Tip, please. Thank you. Let me fucking log in.
Hey Pip, hey Pip, hey Pip, Pip, come here, Pip, come here, Pip, come back, Pip, I got a present for you.
They can't hear you.
Pip, that's the fucking night. Pip, I don't know where you're going, but you're on your own. I ain't going to the fucking night. This is the night of the bird. I am the Graw.
She is down there fighting, so.
Oh, that's balls. All right, let's go. I'm so gonna die. Pip, this is a bad idea.
Just make sure you're staying healed.
Pip, I don't approve.
Gotta hit him twice.
I think this is a foolish endeavor that we're on, Pip.
Yeah, I got what I
Never
needed.
mind, you're cool.
Oh, no, I didn't.
Never mind,
No, I didn't.
I lied, Pip. You're great. Pip, take this. Pip, how do I...
I tried to
how
mark
do I
it for her
these?
earlier. She didn't want it. Don't know why. At least I think it's a chick. I don't fucking know.
Pip, take the fucking thing!
Well, I'll wait on you guys. I'm gonna.
Pip does so as that kick. Oh, I'm gonna
Yes.
die! I forgot we were in the night.
Password? Shit. Look at this. Oh.
I'm being a little stupid playing around out here.
Probably be best if you were to hurry up a
Get the
little.
fuck out of there. Yeah, same. Yeah, no, I'm just over here like, yeah, maybe I should do a thing where I'm not, there this whole time. Where we aren't being murdered.
Ooh. No, I'll wait for that.
I have a buckler and a sword. This is not normally how one would play Birdman. This knight's weak to lightning, right? Something like that?
Yeah. Lightning.
Get stabbed from behind, bitch! Ah, he's got friends! Yeah, get stuck in the tornado, suckers. Boom! You're next. Oh, get blocked, bitch!
So it's gonna be up this way.
Oh, shit. Ow! Alright, we'll do it this way. Tighter shit. Tornado. Oh, fuck! Ow! Dude! Rude! Dick! Yeah? Block this. Jackass. Oh, hey, look! Pocket knife! Oh, I'm out of pocket knife. Ow! Ow! Yeah. Oh. Can you leave the
Are you
knife
guys
now,
fighting
I
the
guess?
last
Okay.
one?
Well, he's in the night now.
Where is he?
In the night, right there, by you. I believe
here?
Pip may require... Yeah, it's over there. Pip may require assistance. I'm assuming.
I honestly.
I wouldn't worry about the last night. I mean, we got close, but it is what it is.
Okay.
You know what I'm gonna do after the stream? I'm going to find an editing software that is simple for my brain dead self to use, and I'm going to utilize it to actually start editing my videos rather than just leaving them as VODs.
There you go.
Yeah.
And maybe, just maybe, we will at some point stream Minecraft again, but I'm not becoming some Minecrafter. Yeah, we don't want to do it, though. Well, I don't know, but yeah, it's clearly a curse for anybody to become a fucking Minecraft YouTuber. That's the whole thing it is, and yeah, I'm not into that in any way, shape, or form, so I'd rather avoid even fucking playing Minecraft.
The manager. Maybe later.
Raise poise, I guess. Now go! Ankles. Hey, thing of light. Or whatever it's called. Sight of grace.
Where? Oh.
Near me, don't worry about you.
Honestly, I'll hit that later.
Gremlins. Look at these fellers. Looks like we're gonna be fighting good old, Foul Omen.
Again, that's not this boss fight.
It's not?
No.
Because they look like the little... No, you're right, because those ones are they're made out of tree trunks. This guy is covered in scarlet rot, or...
This one, I'm thinking...
Probably Battlefield Commander, Outlander.
Yeah.
Battlefield Commander one, right?
What I'm thinking.
This is the one with the lightning leg, isn't it?
No, we're fighting Knights
shit,
Cavalry.
never mind! Run it, that fade! Now, maybe I should not do this. Pip! Get him, Pip, get him! You got this.
Bitch.
Oh, biscuits and gravy. Ow, you fucking ass!
Where you at?
Ah! Pip's got me. He hit my knees. He took out my fucking knees. Slashed. The slash his tires. Tires slashed. Oh, face cut. Oh, dodged. Ow, face whacked. Face whacked.
Wait. Yeah.
Ow! Stop it! You're bullying me. Tornado bitch. Stay down! Oh, anything about that I just said. Ow. Ow! Ow! Dude summoned his horse back like a fucking Pokemon. Aha. Skadooshi! Oh, this is Glaive I've been fighting. I thought I was fighting Flail this whole time. That was you. Whoopsies.
Yeah.
I was watching the wrong health bar go down. Get fucking stabbed! What the heck? Which of these am I gonna take? Summons a group of those lost in death. On guard counters. Oh, okay. That's the whole thing that I'm supposed to be doing with my shield and all that, right? So
Yeah.
I block and then right trigger?
Or, right bumper, don't matter. Or
Does it not
just,
matter?
it's just an attack. You just attack immediately after blocking.
See.
Haven't you noticed who's missing?
Yay. We've done well. Probably.
Oh, is this an iron eye? No. It's the
I need to mess
Duchess.
with some settings.
Alright, I killed the knights over here.
Oh, you killed the last one?
Yeah.
Whee! Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, shield. Ooh, physical damage negation. Oh, I left the... Oh, I'm stupid.
You good, brother?
No, I'm stupid.
Dragon. Dragon!
Oh.
For those of you watching the stream, I do have chat pulled up. It might take me a minute to see it because I do not pay attention to my phone that much. While
You have viewers? I don't have viewers. That's great.
Well, I got you, and I think I got Molly,
I'm not
and
watching your
maybe...
stream anymore.
Oh, then I have no idea who's watching me.
Yeah, I'm like, I had to pull up my own stream because I
I
have to watch my
genuinely
chat.
thought it was just my friends. Oh, wait, hold on, that's a damage drop off.
Yeah, but where do... I gotta get around this fucking dragon. Hang on.
Boing, boing, boing.
At the bush. At some point, I gotta finish setting up the whole everything for my Twitch.
You don't get to do that. Well, you get to
Well,
do
I know.
that, but the guy that was fighting me does not get to proc poison on me.
Oh, that's fair.
Did she go up? She went up. Where are we fighting? Black Knife Assassin. Okay.
That's doable. That's easy. As long as it's not the notorious Super Murder Death Man.
You know, this pip, pretty fucking good.
Beautiful. Interesting. Gavin, look what I have. It's a halberd.
Oh, nice.
It goes stabby stabby. Improved guarding ability. Oh my god.
Haven't you noticed who's missing? Don't you know the prince is not around? I forget, I can't just sing random fucking songs anymore.
I mean, not unless you want to get like demonetized.
I'd rather not. Even though I don't
I
make
remember-
any money, I'd rather...
Well, I mean, demonetization doesn't. It doesn't charge you. It simply just makes it to where that video can't make you any money anyway. So even if it did do good.
Hey, bitch.
There's something going on back here. Oh, that's a fucking. Dude, get your dog! Get your fucking dog! Oh.
Oh, now you fucking teleport back, bitch.
What the? Oh my god! Are we fighting with fucking Melania? They just turned into a flower of murder death. Holy shit! Alright, we killed their dog.
Yeah, now there's a knight.
Poke. Oh, I missed him.
Rather you did. Really rather.
I
you did.
missed him.
I know you did. I'm
Ooh,
grateful.
attacks are more likely to stance break.
Alright, we're going up.
We're going up. Oh, I went down.
Nope, we're going up. I'll meet you at the top.
Poke. Help me! Help me! Help me! You know what, sir? You can just have a good day. Well, they're dead. Look out, friend!
Ooh, that was me.
Oh gosh. Yes, 2 for 1. Get surprised, bitch. Poke. I am Poke. He just fucking threw lightning. Holy shit.
Yeah. Spellcaster.
Oh, hey, well, that's charged attacks. I do charged attacks. I'll hang on with this one. This is improved holy attack power, so until I get something that's not a holy damage, then I'm gonna hang on to this. Hey, the Dark Drift Knight's not, like, resistant to holy, is it?
I honestly...
It would
don't
really
remember.
suck for me if it was. Considering the only weapons I have do holy damage right now, it would really suck if that were the case.
Fighting whatever the fuck's at the top of this shit.
Isn't it like Evil Larry or something?
I don't know. Pip! Where'd you
Go
go?
say Pip. I got this guy.
Okay.
Get stabbed. Pip, where are you? Pip! Pip, come back!
I kill whatever the fuck's at the top of this shit.
Probably Poke. The knight is really fucking close.
We're at the edge of
You
the
know?
circle.
Oh, we are? How do I check that? Oh, shit. I would like a great shield that's decent. Ooh, hey. Alright, we're good.
No, it's just a fucking worm.
Oh, that's doable. That's so doable. That's very doable. Ow, God, never mind. Ow. Why did I get whacked? I didn't even. Sparrow!
One more. Thank you. Look out.
For what? Oh.
That.
I think I'm doing holy. Oh fuck! Pip, no! I've got you, Pip. No! Good. Pip, no! Oh God, me! Pip, save Pip. Got you, Pip. Pip, get up. Pip, get up. Drink, bitch, drink. Get up, Pip. Run, Pip, run.
Oh, I'm alive,
biscuits
barely.
and fucking gravy. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. He's down. Stab him in the face. Oh, God, we missed him. Oh, that's lava, isn't it? Ugh! Ugh! Ow. You know what's crazy? That kind of hurt. Alright. Well, that was... Please, God, no!
I don't remember this guy being such a bitch.
Maybe he's like a stronger version of the boss because we're on top of the castle or something.
We got him so low. We got him so low.
All we gotta do is stab him a few times if we can. Aha. Aha.
Wish you wouldn't do that. I wish you wouldn't do that.
Tornado! Die! Worm.
Nice.
Good shit, Pip. 'Cause that was entirely you that just did that.
Zone
Good
is
work.
coming in. Tree fire attack power.
Yeah, I'll take that. Ooh, improved jump attacks. Very nice. Whee! You see, you're doing lightning damage. I don't think I am. I'm doing holy, I believe.
Come on, Pip.
Oh, fuck, I'm level 12!
Yo.
I was level 8 in that fight that we just did.
Mm-hmm.
Evening, Jesus, holy fucking smokes. Damn. Damn, bruh. Damn, bruh. Damn, bruh. Where'd Pip go? Is Pip okay?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, look. Man, would you look at that? Ooh, take this axe. It improves damage from ranged attacks.
I will in a minute. I'm currently not fighting this. We're not fighting that.
We're not fighting this?
No.
We're not fighting this.
We're
No.
not fighting that. No.
I didn't pick up that axe. It was on the ground over there.
It's
so,
fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Okay. If you're sure.
I deal decent damage.
Onward. Do the McMurder.
And oh, it's these fucks. We're fighting Dragonkin.
Oh, damn it. He's gonna fucking kill us.
Hopefully, you just play our
I'm
cards right.
stabbing. Oh, I didn't do that right. Block. Yeah. Stab. 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 Double stab. Yeah, get stabbed. Okay, so note to self, it does indeed have to be right trigger. I don't think right bumper works if I just tried that. Stab.
Get away from that, Mike.
Oh, that one's friendly.
Yeah, I was like, let's friendly.
Stab.
Oh, no, fucking phone turned off. No, chat. Knocks
Hey,
the
big
Dragonkin.
guy. You know, it'd be cool if you didn't kill us. I don't think he cares. I don't think he cares.
No, I would think he won't.
Ah, biscuits. Biscuits. Oh, fuck. Hey, buddy. Let's talk about this. Let's talk. He doesn't want to talk. Oh. There's only so many times I can block this, dude. You're breaking, like, every bone in my fucking body. Oh.
This is when it becomes a bitch.
That's cool. You got a bow. You can kill him, right?
Yeah, I was like, I'm gonna be shooting my bow at him.
I'm gonna be completely reliant upon you in this fight. I'm just gonna... There we go. Get winded, punk. Okay, he didn't really seem to care about that. Care about this. Oh, fuck, I didn't mean it. Oh, God, I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. Fuck you, nerd. Haha. Got it. No, please. No, stop. Wait. I take it back. I don't take back shit. Oh, I take everything back. Dude, why? Why do you want the fucking smoke so bad? I feel like I'm getting personally targeted. Oh, he's angry. Oh, he angry. Wind. Hold me the fucking avatar. Oh, Jesus! Hey, that's not fair! Yeah, bro. You're gonna do better. Okay, you're gonna do that. That wasn't a very cool move of you. Also not a cool move. Please stop. Just don't do that, please. Hey, Scarlet Rock procs. Good work, Pip.
Fuck you. Yeah.
Oh, fucking balls. Oh, get blocked, bitch. Slash.
Good
I cut his
shit,
fucking
brother.
ankle. Yeah.
Good shit.
Most of the damage was entirely Pip and you. but I'm going to claim it was me.
My affinity.
Man, I look more like a robin than a crow right now with all this fucking blood on me. It's mostly mine, though, I promise. I'm not good enough for it to be... It's definitely mostly mine, because the enemies kind of be fucking me up a lot.
Here, Mikey, this will be better for you.
What is it? Good sir.
It's a tree spear that gives you attack when wielding 2 armaments, and since you're wielding a shield and a sword, a shield and a thing, that'll work for you.
Bad enough. Ooh. Here, this is for improved jump attacks.
Good. I really don't have good.
Everything I have is improved. Hang on, wait.
Don't you know the prince is not around? Oh, nice. Shit up. Okay. Pick one of these. I have no use for a smithing stone.
I have 80,000 rune.
You have level up, brother. If you have 80,000 runes,
I'm already leveled up. I'm level 13.
and you have 80,000 runes left,
Yeah.
and you can't level up again.
No, because it's leveling up again after that. I may have mislooked at the number. I may be a little bit on the stupid side. Very possible.
Are you sure it's not 8,000?
Math isn't my strong suit. Fuck you. I'm doing my best, and sometimes I don't know how to fucking read.
Don't worry, I'm illiterate too, buddy.
Oh, I have 2 viewers. Nice. Yeah, I got a whole extra person other than myself.
Fuck yeah.
That's rocking and rolling. Hell yeah. I'm moving up in the world. Fuck yeah. All right, let's fight this boss and succeed.
Ugh, if I could stop
bird.
fucking yawning.
Go bird. Go bird. I love how we all have the night skins on.
Yeah,
You're like
because they're like
super
the dopest fucking skins until you beat the Night Lord.
Well, I have the night skin on because it makes my bird dude into a fucking crow.
Crows are also
Because
just
crows are awesome. They're just the best. That's why I am the crow. I am the dapperest of crows. Give me a fucking top hat and I'd be vibing. Alright, he wants the smoke. Let's give it to him. Oh. My bad, bro. Blocked. I gotta learn to block. I've never used shields in a Souls game before this game, but the bird dude is my favorite character, so I'm gonna be doing that. Slash. Block. Slash. What? Yeah, no, it has to be right trigger. Fuck! Ow.
fucking damn it.
Sparrow, no!
Look out.
Oh. You said look out. And I was like, oh.
Look out.
Oh, balls, he was behind me. Do it, motherfucker. Pip, no!
I'll get her, I'll get her.
Live, Pip! I cast thee down, rider. Balls. It's gonna hurt, isn't it? Oh no, we're good. Gee. Dude's got nitro on his horse. Oh fuck, and he has a... Oh Jesus. You get Pip. I got this man.
You, Pip, he's targeting me.
Okay. Come on, Pip. Get up, we need you.
He's focusing you now.
No, he's not. I stopped swinging for a few seconds. My stamina was out, but... Ow. Ow.
Oh, I'm getting you targeting me, asshole.
Oh, run!
I died!
Dick! Sparrow! Pip, run! I'll get Sparrow!
Yeah,
Let me know if he comes
targeting,
back.
targeting.
He's a bitch, he ain't gonna do it.
One more. Run.
See? He ain't shit. He ain't shit.
Bruh.
Oh. Oh! Alright, guess it's time for me to do my thing. Surprise, asshole!
Look out.
Apparently my ult didn't get you guys up, and I'm a little bit confused. Oh. Oh no. That went horribly wrong. Oh, no, oh. Was that my fault? I tried charging my ult. Does charging your ult make it to where it doesn't res anymore or something?
No.
Bird?
No, charging your ult.
Did I get hit mid ult charge? Like what happened? What happened? I'm sad. What just happened? I don't know what happened. I'm so confused.
Never. We just suck ass.
Charging.
That's what happened.
Okay, first of all, fuck you, but you're correct. But
So you can't look at me in the face and keep a straight face and say I'm not.
fuck you.
In fact, you.
Look, just because you're correct doesn't mean I have to admit that ass. Fuck you. It's actually not bad.
Okay. Ugh.
Ooh, that's a fucking nice one. Polished burning scene. Flask heals allies and vigor +3.
Damn,
That's
pretty good.
That's actually pretty good. Those are both pretty good, actually. Damn. All right. I see. Oh, but this is. Oh, what? Did I never?
I'm
buy
gonna
Guardian
go
7?
ahead and end my stream there. Ladies and
Alright, you headed off
gentlemen, you have a wonderful evening.
I think you're headed off to bed for now.
Yeah.
Fair enough. We do work the whole night shift business, so I guess that's fair. Fair enough. Rock and roll. See you later, man.
I am very fucking clumsy. Where's the shop? This guy. There we are. Now more. Guardian. Biscuits.
Oh, hey, bro, what's up?
The Night Lords. Traces of night must be the sole reason they can work as one.
They work as one. I do apologize. Normally I only stream with friends, as I don't normally talk much when I'm alone.
Though I probably should try doing that more, especially if I intend to play more games. I would like to get a lot more into the whole streaming thing. Victor record. What the fuck? Dog. Who are you? Level 14. Holy shit. Dude, you just straight up didn't give a shit. You went hands with the big dog. Fuck, dude. Wherever you are. You're a beast. Great Club, Battle Hammer, Talismans. See, yeah, like, same, dude. I'm running over here like the best shit I can physically get, and that's pretty cool. But that dude just fucking... Bro bare hands to fight. He was just that guy. He was him. Whoa, hold the fuck up. What is that? Golden Order Greatsword. Hot damn. Huh. Neat. Well, would you look at that? Well, I guess one run is good for now. I'll likely end my stream now. Good chances are that I will stream again later on this evening. I intend to learn how to edit. I intend to bring a lot more content to everyone. The Crow wishes to be better as a streamer. I know I've been pretty inconsistent, considering it's been many months since my last stream. But I will do my best to make you all proud. I am grateful that I have whatever views come to this. I thank you for staying and tuning in. As such, I wish every one of you to have a lovely day. I shall see every one of you again another time. With this being this, Crow out.